What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, if you follow the channel, you know we have recently done our hands-on and really first look, first thoughts. We have a camera test coming up for the CMF Phone 1 by nothing, as you guys can see there, and I gotta say, it's been very impressive to this point. The display is really what's kind of blown me away, thanks to it being AMOLED and the massive battery. It's been a workhorse of a phone. But all of the specs aside, one of their most intriguing elements of this phone is that they made it a modular design thanks to all of those screws around the side, the one big one basically at the bottom, and you can interchange the backs, add lanyards, kickstands. They have a whole line of accessories coming. Well, finally, we have one of those new backplates in-house, and I want to show you guys exactly how it works. Let me kind of get it out of the light for you guys. This is one of those new blue back plates, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to install. Let's go ahead and put this on the back of the CMF Phone 1. So as you can see here, they come in a different assortment of colors. There's a black and orange, this blue, and I'm sure they will release a whole line of accessories here in the near future. But yeah, it's basically a soft plastic shell from what I've been led to believe. Let's go ahead and unbox it and put it on the back here. So there's a simple tab at the bottom here to pull to open the box. And you can see here it says CMF by Nothing Case User Guide. It's literally as simple as doing these couple steps, using the screwdriver, ejecting, it looks like your SIM card also first, and removing those 4 screws in the corner, and then also removing the round accessory cover at the very bottom of the device as well. And then there's apparently a release button right under the back of that larger screw off button we were just talking about there. So let's go ahead and set this right here. As you can see, here is that case, and yeah, it's somewhat of a more flexible material. It is not a solid piece of plastic, but it does still feel good in the hand as it is. And next to that light mint colorway, that's what it looks like. I do think this blue looks really, really nice. So let's set that down. As you can see in here, what also comes in this case, if you like to mix and match your variety and really kind of personalize it for yourself, you're going to have all of your regular screws. And in this case, these screws look to match the same silver ones that are already on the phone. So let's go ahead and just set those down. But different color cases come with different color accessories. And already you can see from here, you're going to get that blue one as well, rather than that mint one. But if you want to keep the mint one on and mix it with the blue, you can do that also. We'll set that down to the side. And then, same concept here is going to be that SIM tray. If you don't want to keep that mint color one there, it looks like you might have a darker blue option. Yeah, right here as well. So you can see how you can kind of piecemeal this together. If you want to go ahead and put that there, might actually look pretty good with that mint one also. So you can really accessorize and customize these phones, which is their main reason. So here is their little screwdriver tool, and I'll tell you what, it's actually a decent screwdriver. It has a little heft to it. I believe it actually has, yep, the CMF logo right there. One side is a SIM ejector, and then the other side for your screws. So let me go ahead and push all this over for now. Let's do exactly what it said. Pop out the SIM card tray, set that down, and now let's go ahead and use the screwdriver to take these few screws off. And I'll actually not even fast forward this. I'll do it real time just to see how long this process actually takes, if I can get this going. Okay. Nope, still not out yet. Let me make this easier and lift it up. Give you guys a better view as well. Okay, there's one. Definitely not the easiest screwdriver to use when you have a camera in front of you with its smaller head, or body to grip it, I should say. A couple more twists should do this one. 2. And we almost have the third one out. And the fourth one. Let me actually set this one down and grab it like this. Okay. Nope, still not there. Okay, so those are all off. And now, like we said, the last thing here should be to just pop this one off. And allegedly, you should just be able to pop down. And sure enough, you can hear it clicking. Comes right off. And this is what the underside of the CMF phone looks like. What's interesting here, before we even put the other case on, even though it's modular and the back comes off, it will make replacement easier for backs and batteries, but still not user replaceable, unfortunately. So again, thanks to this modular nature, we also unfortunately don't have that full water resistance, which comes to be expected with something like this. But let's go ahead and set that to the side and pop this baby on right now. And in order to do that, we should be able to just circle around the device, and there we go. So obviously I will go ahead and screw all this back in. You can see exactly what that blue looks like here. It doesn't quite show as pronounced the CMF logo on the side here, but it still is there. Looks exactly the same regulatory information as well. And just to kind of show you what we were talking about also, if you want to mix and match, obviously you can go ahead and use the teal screw at the bottom and just make it look how you want. And again, if you wanted to keep the same SIM card spot, you can do that as well, and you can really see how you can customize it as you go. So yeah, pretty simple, straightforward. I hope they come out with a full line of accessories. I think this is going to be a great reason a lot of people adapt to the CMF phones, and I hope they keep it consistent with future iterations as well. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think of this? Are you going to be picking one up? Or what are you looking for from the CMF phone? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.